Hey guys, today is Tuesday and I want to give you a tax tip. One of the biggest questions I always get is how to get your books and records in order. One of the things that you can do is use my 12 by 12 system. There's 12 months of the year. At the close of every single month, grab all of last month's information, your checking accounts, your credit card statements, your bank statements, and organize your expenses. Therefore, you're only looking at about 4 weeks worth of information instead of trying to do 365 days right before tax time. I call it my 12 by 12 system. It helps you stay organized, it's quick, it's easy, and those people that are organized get more write-offs. Make it a great day.